Do you know your rights at work in Jamaica? Most workers in Jamaica don't know their rights, and that's how bosses get away with tricks. Here are 5 rights your employer can't take away. Plain and simple. This is Work Smart Jamaica, where workers learn their rights in plain English. Let's get started. Right number 1, vacation leave. After 1 year of work, you earn at least 2 weeks of paid vacation leave. Not optional, paid. Right number 2, sick leave. If you've worked 110 days in your first year, you qualify for sick leave with pay. After 12 months, you're entitled to 2 weeks paid sick leave every year. A doctor's note is required, but it's your right. Right number 3, overtime pay. Overtime is generally with your consent, and once you work beyond 40 hours, you must get time and a half. On public holidays, it's double pay. Right number 4, public holiday pay. Public holidays are protected by law. Even if you don't work, you still get your normal day's pay, as long as it's a regular workday for you. Work on the holiday, that's double pay or a day off with pay. Right number 5, protection from unfair dismissal. Your employer can't just fire you without notice or reason. Unless it's serious misconduct, you're protected. And if you are unfairly dismissed, the law requires due process. Vacation, sick leave, overtime, holiday pay, and protection from unfair dismissal. These are your rights. If one of these rights was new to you, share this video because your coworkers deserve to know too. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.